Visualize your data story with ease. Learn how to create impactful line graphs in Google Sheets. Start by organizing your data in Google Sheets. Input your categories or time periods in one column and the corresponding values in another. Select all the data you wish to graph, including headers, by clicking and dragging your mouse over the relevant cells. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the available options, choose Chart. In the chart editor, ensure Line Chart is selected as your chart type to best represent your data's progression. Your data now forms a clear line graph, showing trends over time or across categories. Enhance your graph by clicking Customize here. You can give your chart a meaningful title, like Quarterly Revenue Growth. Tailor your graph further by adjusting axis labels, adding data point labels, and refining colors for maximum clarity and impact. Congratulations! You've successfully created a dynamic line graph in Google Sheets, perfect for presenting your data's insights.